Hey guys, my name is Dr. Natalie Lopez. I'm a chiropractor practicing out of Toronto. Hopefully you were able to catch my last 3 videos. So those were more on, jaw anatomy and just overall things that can be going on with it, releases for the jaw, as well as exercises to retrain those jaw muscles. So today's kind of more of like different tools and things that you can use to help with your jaw pain. With that being said, I really want to bring up that stress and anxiety typically are closely correlated with jaw pain. So that's what they found in the research. A lot of jaw pain is related to more of that anxiety and stress related. So if you find that you're kind of one of those people that has a little bit more anxiety and stress, that might be something to seek out, any ways to manage that, as well as seeking out a healthcare professional to help with that. I just like to put that out there because it is really important to address. And then I want to show some other fun tools that can be used. I really like Sage Peppermint Halo. I find it really helpful for those of you who have like more of those headache symptoms related to jaw pain, or really a lot of tension that can be quite uncomfortable. So this is kind of more of like your way of handling it if it's quite bad. I like to use it, I don't like to use it right on my temples. I know they say to follow the hairline, but I find if I put it close to my temples, I will cry. So I just do it below my jaw joint, so just here and a little bit into my lower jaw, like just over what I was saying was my master muscle in my past videos. And so I'll just do a little bit. I don't put a crazy amount because it ends up being overwhelming, the smell. And then if you're watching my release videos, I'll also do my SCM muscle, which is just here. I'll kind of just go along here. And I'll also do my suboccipitals, so just at the back of my head. And I'll do both sides as well. It's got a nice numbing, tingling effect. Also, it smells pretty good, so can't lose with that. But it's really helpful for when you're experiencing a headache or any those acute symptoms. So another thing I also like is more related to releasing the muscles is a Gua Sha. I used to have a jade stone one. I don't know where it is, somewhere lost. So I've got this one. You can get them on Amazon from ranging anywhere from $10 to $50, whatever you want and feel comfortable with. Full disclosure, I'm not an anti-aging specialist, so I'm not gonna have the best skin remedies for reducing wrinkles. Typically they say to glide away from the face, not towards it. So if that's kind of something you wanted to throw in as a bonus. But I find releasing it on the lower jaw, just kind of off through here. And I'll open my mouth as I do it. And then you can do both sides. And you can use coconut oil, lotion, or whatever you want. If you're using it while you use the Sage products, just remember what side you used it. If you're going to go under your eyes, you want to do the opposite side or else it'll get really stingy. And I'll just kind of glide across. And so just kind of gliding down. Another one you want to try is releasing your SCM. So I like this one that has a bit of a divot. So I'll kind of go down and look up. So this is kind of more influencing the fascia, helping with more of the limb system, just getting some decrease in tension there. So I find that really helpful for just overall decrease in tension and could be kind of part of your wellness routine. Another thing that I find helpful is mouth guards. So I really depends, the research is a bit mixed on mouth guards and splints in general. It's not the magic fix for anything, but it could be something if you're kind of one of those people that tends to grind your teeth at night, or just more of that stuff. If you can't really subconsciously change it, it might be a good way to help manage it. So main thing with these mouth guards is that they're protecting your teeth. So I personally grind my teeth like crazy, so it helps protect my teeth so I don't damage them. But I also find when I wear it, I have this tendency to grind less, or at least it feels like I grind less because of that uncomfortable feeling of biting down on it. So it could be kind of a good mental trick for you. Always speak to your dental health care professional because they're gonna have the best idea of what fit you need or anything like that. But if that doesn't really fit in your budget, you can totally try out one at Shoppers that you just put in water and then mold to your teeth. It's not a be all end all. When I first started using it, I literally would throw it out in the middle of the night. So it takes an adjustment to have it. But if that's something you want to consider because you grind your teeth a lot, or someone has told you grind your teeth, that's something to try out. So hopefully these tools can be helpful for you. If you have any questions or just want to kind of say anything in the comments in regards to this or other tools that you may be using that I haven't really mentioned, that would be great. But I'd really appreciate if you hit like, subscribe, or anything like that. just helps with the videos, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, bye.